Hi you guys, this is Ebony Butterfly and I want to welcome you to my channel. This is something different that I'm doing. It's a collaboration video that I'm doing with several ladies. I'll put all the information below. Go watch their clean with me videos. This is like a first for me. I have like so much stuff on my counter, and I wanted to also do a kitchen reveal because I've never showed you guys my kitchen, and I did decorate and I did do some things. So at the end of the video I'll just show you how it looks after it's clean. Right now it's the holidays, after the 4th of July holidays, so I'm putting away all that stuff and getting it cleaned off my counters. So just sit back and just watch me pick up, clean up a little bit, just in the kitchen. That's the only area I was able to clean up in, and I hope it inspires you to get busy. Right now you see me using that spray Dawn, which I love to clean out of my sink. And no, this video is not sponsored. I just love that spray Dawn. So I'm really trying to deep clean and get the dishes washed. So you guys know, lately I've kind of changed my aesthetic. It's like farmhouse / restoration hardware look. So I'm really trying to minimalize, but it's been very difficult. Cleaning all the stuff off of my counters is very difficult, even though I like for my counters to, be clean. It's just like so much stuff gathers there. Now that I'm working from home, I use the kitchen more often. My husband is there, my kids are there. So the kitchen is probably one of our high traffic areas for the most part. But as far as the rest of the house, everybody kind of keeps their space clean, so it's not a lot to see there. So that's why I picked to choose the kitchen, because we have a lot going on in our kitchen. It's like truly the heart of the house. So with my new aesthetic, you're going to see in the end that I do try to minimalize the things on my counters and have a cleaner look. So that is the goal. And all the stuff you see me throwing over there in that corner, that's stuff that has to be put up, like packed and boxed, because it's seasonal. So I'm putting all that stuff over there. And my sign, I think I'm just gonna put that up as well.
Only from Lind.
Yeah, the towel that you see me using, I love that towel. It's some type of microfiber towel that you can use. I have two, one that I use to wash dishes and one that I use to wipe the counters. They both have like two different designs on them. That's how I know which is which. But you take those towels when you're finished cleaning and you can put them in the dishwasher and sanitize them. So I love those towels. And until I did this video, I had no idea how many paper towels I use. I use a ton of paper towels when I clean, but I don't know. I have a thing about towels and paper towels, so it is what it is. Okay, right now you see me wiping off the backsplash, and look at all that Ray done. I have tons and tons of Ray done, and I'm just going to show you some of the things that I did to store everything. I'm kind of moving away from so much Ray done. I will never get rid of it all, because I still want to use it to decorate for the seasons. So you're going to see some of that in my videos as well. But my new aesthetic is going to be kind of minimalist. My kitchen is not super huge, so I can't just have a lot of stuff laying around. My coffee bar will always be there because that's a must-have. Yeah, I can't get rid of my coffee bar. Because we have some type of tea or coffee like every single day. So I'm cleaning it out. Tends not to get that dirty. Hey guys, I just kind of wanted to say that, a lot of the times as new homeowners, we want to do so much, but sometimes it requires us to live in our home for just a little while. There's so many projects that I want to do, and as I look at this video, I'm like, I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to do this, but no, it's a process, and it can be an expensive process. So you want to make sure those big purchase items and big purchase projects are what you really, really want. Because I thought about a new backsplash, but honestly, I don't know what I want. So that project has been put on hold until I can figure that out. So, like my husband says, it'll all come in due time. Everything doesn't have to be done in a day. Nobody built Rome in a day, so it doesn't have to be done in one day. Okay, now I'm about to clean the opposite side of the kitchen, and that's the part of the paper mache stuff that I had. I was making some paper mache bowls, kind of inspired by Restoration Hardware. And if you follow me on Instagram at Ebony Butterfly Wings, you would have saw me in the process of doing the paper mache bowls. I know Restoration Hardware had those bowls for $135, but with $3, which I used paper bags and flour water mix, I made some bowls for, like I said, less than $3. I have to clean off my cabinets, not the whole cabinet, just where we mostly put our hands, just to make sure that stays pretty clean until I can find some door handles. Another project which I can't wait to work on is getting new handles for my kitchen cabinets, which my husband is like ready to get them on there, but it's like deciding. It's like, do I want black? Do I want pewter? I go back and forth. Not sure. So when in doubt, wait. As you can see, those are my project paper mache balls. I'm trying to clean around them as best as I can because they still need to dry. I think I used way too much flour and water. I think that the first two I made were just like a lot of flour and water. I eventually made a third one, but I'm using all three in my decor, and you will see that in a few minutes once I'm done cleaning. So you can see I'm cleaning off the stove. A funny story about the stove. I've never had a glass cooktop. I've always used gas in the past. All my other houses have had gas. This is the first time I've had to cook on this. I've also had electric before, but those were in apartments when my husband and I first got married. But y'all, I caught myself trying to cook something, some rice, and it boiled over and it got on the stove. You talking about a nightmare to clean? It was a nightmare to clean. I think I spent 2 days cleaning off that stove, and I still would see stuff. So I don't think a glass top is the best option for me. But now I'm getting used to cooking on it, and it's fine. But that first initial time was not the best experience, especially with trying to clean rice water up off the stove. That's not cool. Yeah, my camera is about to die because the battery died, and I just want to let you guys know, thank you for watching. I'm going to show you the final reveal in a second.